This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. In this video, we are going to have a look at Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a place where you can get all the assets you need, basically for any project you are working on or creating it. Here you can see, it has more than 7.3 million items available for you, at a price of $16.50 per month. Check out the link given in the description, and get 75% discount on first month subscription. Here you can see, more than 84,000 new items are added to this site, each week, which include photos, stock footages, motion graphics templates, movie tracks, print templates and many more. It also includes more than 8,000 logo and idents, and more than 98,000 music tracks. Now let's see one by one, what are all the items we will be getting here. Stock videos. Most of the videos I used in my promo preview video comes from Envato Elements. To see the preview, just hover over the video, and you can see the preview playing. Here you can filter by alpha channel, or looped video. Or you can filter by stock footage or motion graphics. Here you can also filter by required resolution of your choice, from 720p to 4K resolution. You can also filter by frame rate. If your project needs a video of a particular frame rate, then you can have it from here. Or you can filter it by required length. Video templates. This is the page I visit the most. Here you will get all the type of templates you need. Based on the application you are using, you can filter all the video templates available. You can get templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Apple Motion, Final Cut Pro. You can select the categories, depending on the type of template you need. Hover over to view preview. Let's see how to download this template. You can see the complete preview here. On the right hand side, you can see the length of this logo intro, resolution, and file size. Click on download to get this project. I will select it to a recent project. Hit and download. Your project will start downloading. Music and sound effects. Here you can get all the music files required for your project. Select them according to the genre, or based on mood, based on instrument, based on categories. Or you can filter based on vocal. Let's see music files based on categories. Here you can see all the logo reveal music files. For all my logo reveal tutorials, I use the music file from here. You can hear the preview. When you download the file, you will get the music file with the watermark removed. You can also search the music you need. You can browse the music of your choice, or according to your project requirement. Graphic templates. Here you can filter by vector images, or layered. You can also browse by categories, based on color space, or based on orientation. Depending on the application you are using, you can search for the graphics template. Graphics. In graphics, based on property, you can browse by categories, which includes background, textures, social, patterns and many more. Based on application you are working on, you can select your categories to filter your search. You can browse by the type of files you want, in JPEG, or transparent PNG format. Presentation template. In the presentation templates, based on the application you are using, you can select the type of presentation you need. It can be a report presentation, sales, marketing, or about your website, and many more. You can get all types of presentation templates here. Photos. If you have the Envato subscription, then you will get access to 50 million plus stock photos from their new 2020 Photos site. Once you have your account ready, you will get access to more than 3.8 million royalty-free stock photos. You can filter your search based on orientation, landscape, portrait, or square. You can get your licensed image here. Fonts. In fonts, you will have access to all the premium fonts available in the market. For easy search, you can filter them by properties, categories, spacing, and optimum size. Add-ons. In add-ons, you will get the preset brushes, layers for Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom. Based on the application you are working on, you can select the type of files you need. From painting to action titles, to portrait filters, and many more. Web templates. In web templates, depending on the type of template you need, you can filter your search. Like responsive, retina ready, PSD file included, sketch files included. In more categories, you can see, you will have CMS, WordPress, 3D object. You also get free files each month, which includes After Effects templates, fonts, presentation, videos, and many more. Here you can also subscribe to Envato courses and tutorials, which includes tutorial for marketing, designing, Illustrate and many more. It comes with your Envato Elements subscription. There are so many products available on Envato Elements, and in this short review video on Envato Elements, I tried to cover all the important points. I know it's not possible to explain each and every product available here, so you can check out all the available products. You can get all the files you want for your project, at just price of $16.50 per month. You can get 75% discount on the first month. Follow the link given in the description. Thank you.